Hello everybody, welcome to POV Driving. As you can see, today is a very special day. Last year we drove the 2018 Mustang when they just released the brand new model. This is a green Ford Mustang, but this is not the regular Ford Mustang. This is the Bullitt. Pew pew! As you probably know, Steve McQueen drove this car. He drove away from chargers, police, and anything that came in his way. And today we're gonna represent him. I'm gonna be his son for today. And we're gonna go out for a beautiful cruise on these beautiful roads. It feels good to be back in a Ford Mustang. I love every single one of you that subscribed, liked, and comment on our previous Mustang videos. It really means a lot to me. So the Mustang has a really special place in my heart. And this video is for you guys. So we have a crazy exhaust, you know. The previous Mustang was pretty loud, but this shit is on another level. And we also have a green color here, which is called Highland Green. And we also have no Ford emblem anywhere. Because, you know, Steve McQueen, he didn't want to stand out too much, and he did his own thing. Sadly, this is winter tires, so we don't have the black tires that the most pictures are and such with this car. But, you know, winter tires means more fun, less grip, and more crazy American shit. Okay, started up, we see a green thing here. The green monster comes alive. And interior-wise, it's pretty similar to the normal Mustang, except we have a Bullitt logo in front of us. We have some Ricardo seats here with some green stitching, and we have a really cool Bullitt emblem here, which also numbers the car. So this car is number 699. This is a limited edition car from Ford, celebrating the 50-year anniversary of the Ford Mustang. So that's why we're driving the car. Listen to this. Doesn't sound too much, actually. What the hell? Yeah, baby! We're back. I'm so pumped for this review. You guys have no idea. We're gonna do some crazy stuff, because this car is just, you know, meant for crazy stuff. So, windows down, of course. And right now we're in track mode because we are a professional racing driver, as you guys already know. And yeah. So first things first, this car has a new exhaust system, and I can tell you that it's really loud. I thought the previous 2018 Mustang was loud, but Jesus Christ, it feels like, you know, the American Mustang ate another hamburger, because woo! Oh shit. Also new with this car is we have a white golf ball on top of our gearbox here, which is new. And I think the gearbox feels a bit more like agile. It feels a bit shorter and a bit more sporty. And also this shifter here is like smaller, so, you know, it might be just the feeling of the gear knob, but overall it feels more dynamic. Also, you know, the steering and, you know, just the exhaust noise, I think, really brings out a really beefier version of the normal Mustang. You know, it was a bit tame. You know, most Mustang owners, they buy the car and put an exhaust on it and put some various mods. And I would do the same thing. And this is basically what Ford has done to celebrate the 50-year anniversary of the Ford Mustang. You know, this is a really important car for them. It is the world's most sold sports car. So, you know, it's kind of important for us too. You know, I'm a car enthusiast and I love sports cars. You know, that's what it's all about. And you know, driving this 480 horsepower Mustang, the previous one was 450. So basically Ford put in some dynamic parts from the old GT350. So we have like a different throttle body, we have a different top here, and we have some we have a sport exhaust, and I think that's about it performance wise. But you know, this is a limited edition, woo-hoo-hoo! Limited edition car. So you know, this is not a normal Mustang, you know, and you can really feel that, you know, it feels really special. Whoa! I'm driving here on some fantastic roads, you know, so the car is just living its life, and so am I, you know. Jesus Christ, just look at this. I'm here, third gear. It slides around a bit. Here we jump. Woo! It's like the Nürburgring, this shit. But you know, in America. Oh, sorry, no, I'm in Mexico because the roads here are great. No, I'm kidding, guys. I'm sorry, I'm really excited, you know. This car just makes me feel like a little baby again. Here's some walls here, so listen to this shit, guys. Oh, no, this thing really screams. And you know, we're on track mode right now, so you know, it doesn't let me really give it doesn't give me full traction off. It really keeps me in place. We also have a 6 piston brake Brembo. It's really hard to talk and drive this thing because it's so bloody good. Jesus Christ. Even though I'm on winter tires, people, this thing is like sex on wheels. Like, I can't explain. It might be these roads here, but like, holy bananas. It's like, I've never had this much fun in my life. This is Jesus. Wah! Okay, I need to calm down a bit here. Breathe. We also have different driving modes. We have snow and wet mode. Wet mode is probably for when all the girls come into this car because, whoo, I'm hot, baby. We also have some really cool things here. It's called track apps. So basically, we have an acceleration timer. We have a braking test. We have a lap timer, and we also have a line lock function. Oh, look at this beautiful horse. I'm gonna try not to give it a heart attack. These beautiful roads. Shut up.
Yeah.
Shut. That was you see, this thing also has, when you put it into quiet mode, this thing completely transforms. We also have magnetic ride on this car, you know, so I can hear myself, I can think, I'm not sweating anymore, and yeah, it basically feels like a normal car. Not normal, it feels a bit more premium, you know. We have these recorder seats, we have a great entertainment system with navigation, audio, climate control, mobile apps. It's nearly too much, but it works really well. Also, you know, from the previous Mustang, we have this digital display here, so nothing has changed here. It's mostly the heritage, the love. We have a few different colors, we have more noise, and you know, it's like you know, you Americans, you love your milkshakes, and this is like the cherry on top of the milkshake, you know. We're gonna do some Mexico stuff now. Or maybe not here. Some shenanigans. We also get some really good backfires, which is new from this car, you know. It's like bang, 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 bang. But it's not like, you know, it's not so artificial, you know, like there's nothing fake about this car. You know, it's really real. Like, driving the BMW i8 recently, like a few weeks ago, is so different from this car. And that car is like four-wheel drive. It's really, really compact, and you know, it's too good. This thing is like bananas, you know. It's like I can't explain it, guys. It's so crazy. We also have a auto blip, you know, on the downshift here. Okay, guys, let's do some shenanigans. No! Traction control! No, wait, I'll do it over here. So, you know, people don't think you can have fun in these cars. Jesus Christ! Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay, guys. Okay, the Mustang just tried to kill me there, and that's the negative part about this car. Luckily, this road is closed, so... But yeah, that's also a thing that you have to keep in mind of this car. It's so crazy. Like, if you put your foot down, you can really kill yourself, and you have to be careful. But that's also why we love this car, ladies and gentlemen. This is why the Mustang has its reputation. And yeah, I'm just gonna be quiet now and enjoy this cruise here, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. If you have any questions about the Bullitt, or if you wanna just talk to me about this car, please comment, and we'll speak about it. You know, this is an amazing car, and you guys are fucking awesome, so fuck yeah. Ha. Here's the horse again. The Mustang and the horse, they go together. This is my new girlfriend. Thank you, thank you. And now we have shit in the middle of the road. Thank you. Thank you, horses. Thank you very much. But yeah, this thing revs. Oh, I think I just killed a bird or something. Jesus Christ. But yeah, let's speak about some specs on this car. I think it starts at $47,000, which is like 490,000 crowns-ish. And put some options on it, and you're probably a bit higher, but base price starts at $47,000. Bang, sold. This thing is awesome. If you really want a Mustang, please consider the Bullitt. It's a really special car. It feels special, you know. It doesn't feel like a Ford, honestly. It feels like a race car with a V8. And you can have so much fun in it. You can let anyone drive it, and if you really want to go bananas and go crazy and unleash the maniac inside of you, then you have to get this car. Like, at this price point, there, what can you get? I honestly, I don't know what you can get that is this good. Imagine this thing on summer tires also. Like, we're rocking winter tires now, and you know, I can feel that it's a bit, you know, heavy, and the grip is not like there, even though I can drive it really fast. Like, with sport tires, this thing is mad. I can imagine. Yeah, I'm sweating, guys. I really am sweating. You want to try one of these track apps? Let's do 0 to, okay, so we have 0 to 50, 0 to 100, 0 to 200 kilometers. Then we have 0 to 200 meters. We can do 0 to 60. Somewhere on the straight road. I mean, I'm driving on Nürburgring here, so. This car really likes to rev too, you know. It's really, the gears are really long. You can do top speed in like 4th gear. Okay, let's do it here. We're having a bit of downhill. Fuck it. Okay, so now I'm gonna press OK here. Okay, accelerate to start. Let's put it into drag racing mode. What the fuck? So when you change driving mode, this thing doesn't work. Okay. Okay, so now I'm in drag racing mode, so I'm just gonna put my foot down and it'll rev. No! What the hell? Ah! Stupid car. So this thing, it works, but you know, you need to like push it and then go, you know. You can't just hang around and wait, you know, and doodle with your little penis. You have to really focus and do it. So we're gonna try to find somewhere here where I can focus and not play around. It's not as easy as it sounds, you know, because you can't really focus on anything while driving this car, you know, because you get so sweaty, you know, and like emotional, and it's like I can't describe it, you know. It's completely fantastic, guys. And you know, it's like a car shouldn't be this good at this price, you know. It's like it's below like 50 grand, you know, so it's like a cheap car, you know. And you get so much, you get these wonderful seats, people look at you like, you know, you're driving a Ferrari, like you get these crazy exhaust notes. Play a clip of that. Bang, bang! And yeah, like I'm probably gonna buy one of these, I swear to God. I might want a supercharger on it, you know, so I can go really fast. But honestly, I don't think you need it. You really don't. Like this is perfect as it is. Not sure the normal Mustang is perfect, but if you get all the GT performance packs on a regular Mustang, you'll probably have something like this, but you will never get this heritage, this legendary special edition feeling that you get from the 2019 Ford Mustang Bullitt. There's gonna come some more videos of this car. We're gonna do a night drive. Also, we're gonna start uploading videos on different languages, so it's gonna be like in German and Swedish and every single language you can imagine. We're gonna have it. Look at this smoke here. Oh Jesus! Also a negative thing. If you don't know what you're doing, this happens. Good. Here it is, guys. Dirty as hell. Look at this beautiful scenery and this legendary Mustang. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I had a blast filming this video. We did go a bit crazy. We had some fun. I can't wait for the GT 500. It's gonna be completely mad. And I'm excited to share it with you guys. I think that's about it. Please subscribe, like, comment, give us some love. This is POV driving, and this is the Ford Mustang Bullitt. Yeah, buddy. And